In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail password in Outlook. To begin the process, the first step is to change your Gmail password. This is essential because you cannot change your Gmail password directly within Outlook. Start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Google account sign-in page. Once you arrive, enter your login credentials to access your account. After you sign in, look for the security section on the left side of the screen. This section is crucial as it contains all the options related to your account's security settings. Under the How You Sign In to Google section, click on Password. This is where the magic happens. If prompted, verify your identity with the necessary steps. Once your identity is verified, you can enter your new password. Make sure it is strong and memorable. After entering the new password, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures your new password is registered with Google. Now that you've changed your Gmail password, we move on to the next step, updating the password in Outlook. Open the Outlook application on your device. If everything is set up correctly, you may see a prompt asking for your new Gmail password. This prompt is helpful as it guides you through the Google sign-in process seamlessly. If Outlook does not automatically prompt you, don't worry. You can manually update your password. Navigate to the File menu at the top left of the screen. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may choose Office Account or Account Settings if you are using Classic Outlook. If you are using New Outlook, select Settings and then Accounts. This is an important step to ensure you are in the right section to update your account credentials. Next, select your Gmail account from the list. This is crucial because you want to ensure you are updating the correct account. Once you select your account, you will be prompted to re-authenticate. This means you need to sign in again using your new Gmail password. It's a straightforward process, and once you enter your new password correctly, Outlook will update your settings. If for some reason you encounter issues and Outlook continues to ask for your password, don't panic. You may need to remove the Gmail account from Outlook and add it back again. This can resolve any lingering issues with the account not syncing properly. If you use Google two-step verification, there's an additional layer to consider. In this case, Outlook may require a Google app password or the modern Google sign-in process instead of your regular Gmail password. This is an important security feature that protects your account. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully. If you experience persistent problems, ensure that you are using the latest version of Outlook. Updates often include important fixes that improve functionality and security. Now you should have successfully changed your Gmail password in Outlook. Remember, keeping your password updated is vital for your account's security. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing access issues. You can now enjoy a seamless experience using Outlook with your updated Gmail credentials. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you through the process.